Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you guys can see, I am here in front of CVS. I'm getting ready to run in here to do an incredible Ibotta Dove deal. I was going to do some other deals, but when I seen the Dove deal pop up in Ibotta, I was like, oh goodness, let me go in, let me try this. So guys, if you haven't downloaded Ibotta, please go ahead and do so. I will put the link in the description box, as well as in the comments. Here's my code. Use this code. It will help us both. And when you redeem your first receipt, you'll receive $10, guys. That is amazing. And you can share your link with all of your friends and family. And every time they redeem their first rebate, they'll get $10 and you'll get $10. So guys, let's rack those $10 up. Rack them up, especially right now when it's so close to Christmas. Guys, all of those $10 can add up. You can get 2 and 3 Christmas gifts at a time, depending on how much you're going to spend on each person. It's really a good way to save some money. And what's nice about Ibotta is that you get your money back right away. Like when you redeem a rebate, your money is in your account within 2 to 3 minutes. The longest it's ever taken me was like 5 minutes, and that was on a weekend. And then you can either have the money put into your checking account, you can buy a gift card with it, or you could put it in your PayPal account. Totally up to you how you want to do it. But guys, I'm going to head on into the store so I can show you guys exactly what I got. Everyone's keep walking to my video. I guess this is a bad place to record. So I'm going to head on into the store. Give me a thumbs up if you like Dove. Comment below what your favorite Dove flavor or scent is. Let's see how many people like the same scent. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car. I didn't do the video in the store because the music is like blaring, and even when I usually go to my little hideaway spot and do my video so the music isn't so loud, it's still even loud there. I think they turned the volume up or something. So I had to come to the car to do the deal. Okay, so let me show you guys exactly what it is. This is a glitch, guys. It is an Ibotta glitch. This rebate just popped up in my Ibotta app today, so I don't know how long it's going to be there. As you guys know, with any glitch, you have to run and go do the deal. You never know how long it's going to last. Never ask customer service or manager or anything about a glitch, because it can be fixed at any time. So what it is Ibotta is giving you $3 back for a pack of Dove soap or a body wash, and it is limit 2. Here's the rebate so you can see it. In the rebate, it says select varieties and any size. Now, normally this rebate does not work on the single bars, but today it is. So you can choose. You can do the 2-packs, because it even works on the 2-pack, and normally it does not work on the 2-pack. But it works on the 2-pack of Dove. And the 2-pack of Dove, I believe, is like $4.39. So if you get one, it'll be like $1.39. It works on the 6-packs, the 8-packs, and it works on the small body washes that are like $7.29. Some stores, they're $6.99. And it works on the bigger body washes that are like $9.79. It also works on the men's. But I went in the travel section and got these little Doves. Here you can see them. It's the single Doves. And you can see they are the 2.6 ounce. Okay. These are $2.09. Let me make sure I get my, here's my receipt. So you can see, I don't know why it's so blurry. There we are. You can see they are $2.09. Okay, they're the 2.6 ounce. And when I scanned them into the app, it worked. So I got back $3 for each one of these. $3 for this, $3 for that. So guys, actually, that makes this a 91-cent moneymaker for each one of those Doves. So run out, go in your travel section, and get your Dove soap. This rebate is only for CVS. They don't have it for Walmart or Rite Aid or any of the other stores or Target. They just have it in CVS. So make sure you go out and do this deal. Like I said, you can do it on any size. But the one that is going to be a moneymaker are the travel size ones for $2.09. You're going to get back $3 from Ibotta. You can do it twice, which I did. So you can see I got 2. I used extra bucks to pay. Okay. But I'm getting back $6 back from Ibotta. Again, it is a glitch. So run and do it, guys. Let me know how you made out. Let me know what flavor you got. I think in the travel size, though, it's only the regular. But if you get the 2-bar or the 6-bar, you can get any of them. You can get the cocoa. You can get the lavender. You can get any scent that you want. But in the travel, I only seen the original. So I didn't look through the store. I just grabbed those 2 and ran because I know how glitches are. They go away quickly. So that is the spill, guys. Go get your Dove. And as always, until the next time, keep on saving.